It's after 3 o'clock in the morning again. Like over a week from the last time I did the video. Well, made the video I'm about to post. That you guys won't see for another week or two. But anyway, yeah, legitimately, I forgot to do an intro on that one. So the whole thing is basically just me building a birdcage and then talking. And I just screwed up my whole intro because I didn't say, hey, hi, how are you? It's Crystal again. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Enjoy the video. That's not gonna work for you guys. This is brand new bird cage, cage for the parakeets, because Maine Coon Kitten in the house, and Maine Coon Kitten does not know, not allowed to knock over birds. I mean, in all honesty, in her defense, neither do the boys for that matter. Kids are holding their birds and birds in general. One. It's a bigger one that she's been having her time knocked over. So it is. It's intriguing. You don't need to watch my I just got it. It will. But I know what I'm doing. Ow. But it's done, and hope you help me with the ending of it. I'm going to flip you so you can see the cage. That's his big cage. Do you want to see birds? Hold on. These is baby birds. These is the parakeets. They get to live in a giant cage. Upgrade from that. Yeah. They're spoiled. I spent the last 2.5 hours-ish in my bedroom, or in my kitchen. Why did I say bedroom? Probably because I'm in the bedroom. Hold on, I don't think you guys can hear me. Probably a mistake to sit down. However, I've spent the last 2.5 hours-ish in my kitchen. It's technically early Monday morning, overnight Sunday. It's currently the 15th. Was the 14th. A minute before I started being in the kitchen. I really like... Oh, if you're wondering why I'm thinking about my hair right now, I took a bath earlier, and I used and I'm not an affiliate, I used the Native shampoo and conditioner and their body soap, and I really like how it let my hair just, yeah, it looks better than it has in a long time. But, I built the bird cage earlier this evening. I made supper, which was just breakfast. I had the laundry sitting in here ready to, you know, fold, and I hadn't folded it yet. And then, prior to Martin saying Martin would take us out to supper for Mother's Day, I'd already taken out the meat to make taco stuffed shells. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that together the way I planned on doing, so that tomorrow, if we're not back in the time frame I think we are going to be, I can just take that casserole dish straight out of the refrigerator, tinfoil and all, let it warm up just a little bit, pop it in the oven. Half an hour, 45 minutes later, we've got dinner. I don't have to prep anything, it's already done. There's leftover taco meat for Hopi, who does not like stuffed shells. And then I made a batch of couscous and some roasted cherry tomatoes with seasoning, so that I had some lunches made up real quick for this week, and so that I could add some couscous to one of Martin's lunches. Also made a batch of banana muffins and banana bread. The banana bread still has 25 minutes. I've just got time to fold these clothes and then get to bed after I take the banana bread out, because when I get up in the morning, we have to run to the pet store, and then I get to go pick up a chihuahua. Well, it's now 2:59. The banana bread is out of the oven. It's covered. The banana muffins have been out. They only take about half an hour. They've been covered. The couscous is cooled off with the tomatoes, so that's in a container for me. The couscous was added to a lunch for Martin, and that's in a container for Martin. And both of those are, both of those are in the fridge. The casserole had already been in the fridge, so I had the taco meat, and all of my laundry is done. And now I'm watching our new kitten, which we got last Monday, on the floor playing because she's been hyper. Because of course they slept all day, so you know, they're really hyper. But I've got a wonderful Proby sitting here at the end of the bed, watching her, getting ready to cuddle, because all he wanted to do was cuddle. So I'm going to go to bed, and I will add some clips of the new kitchen tomorrow, and I will film some bits of the new Proby tomorrow. And that will be this week's video, because that's all I really think. There might be an extra video this week. We'll see.